Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build an EV3 Sumo bot. We'll go through the fundamental steps, from selecting your parts to programming its actions. You'll learn about crucial components, effective sensor placement, and basic coding strategies to get your robot ready for battle. Our goal is to create a robust and intelligent competitor, ready to push its opponents out of the ring. Let's start with the physical build. Your robot needs a strong foundation, so choose a sturdy chassis that can withstand impacts. We'll use two large EV3 servo motors, one for each wheel, providing powerful and independent propulsion. Remember to place the EV3 intelligent brick, the robot's brain, as close to the center as possible for excellent balance and stability during intense matches. Now, let's talk about sensors, which are your robot's eyes and ears. We'll typically use two color sensors on the underside to detect the white line marking the edge of the Sumo ring, preventing your bot from falling out. An ultrasonic sensor, mounted on the front, helps locate and track your opponent. We'll then create a basic program to make your robot move and react to these sensor inputs. Finally, it's all about strategy and refinement. Consider adding weight to your robot, up to the competition's maximum, to increase its pushing power. Experiment with different front blade designs. A wide, low blade can be very effective at scooping or pushing opponents. The key is continuous testing and adjusting your program. Practice against other robots to fine-tune your strategy and ensure your bot is a formidable competitor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.